And consistently. Even if you have never shot a video before, even if you're a beginner, that is what we are going to learn today. I promise you, just sit down and follow me to the end. Sit down and follow me to the end. Now, before we go ahead, I'd love to meet you guys. I would love to meet everyone. So in the comment section, just tell me your name and tell me where you're watching from. Let's go to the comment section. Tell me your name and where you are watching from. Tell me your name and where you're watching from. Just go to the comment section and tell me your name and where you're watching from. Let's go. Say your name and where you're watching from. Your name and where you are watching from. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. I'll start this webinar by telling you a very hard truth. Yeah. A very hard truth. YouTube is not easy. YouTube is not easy. Now, shooting videos, editing, uploading, being consistent, and all while hoping that people are going to watch. That's hard. Yes, it's hard to do all of these things. But what if I told you that there is a way to build a channel that grows fast, pays you in dollars, and doesn't even require your face on camera? What if I told you that? Now, I'll be showing you how this works, step by step. Just make sure you stay to the end of this class. That's what I need you to do. Stay to the end of this class, and I'm going to show you all of this. Now, let me ask you a simple question. What would an extra $500 to $3,000 every single month do for your life right now? What would you do with that? How can that help your life? How can that improve your life? For some of you, that will mean your rent. For others, maybe school fees, maybe feeding, maybe even freedom from the job that you do not like right now. Yes, maybe it's to give you freedom from that job that you're wishing you did not have, or that you're wishing you could change. Maybe that's what it could do for you. And here is the good news. That kind of income is very, very possible on YouTube. Yes, very possible on YouTube. Now, look at this. This is a video from one of our small channel. This channel uploaded this video and has gained $736, over $736, with 212,000 views. Now, it is very, very possible. Now, just imagine for a minute that you can upload 2 videos every month, and those 2 videos make $500. I mean, $500 in 1 month is $1,000 per month. And imagine that you do that consistently for 12 months. That will give you $12,000 for 1 year. Now, $12,000 is about 18 million naira in Nigeria right now. Do the math. Just do the math. It's about 18 million naira. Now, wouldn't that make your life way better than it is right now? Will it not? Okay. See, this is just me keeping things very moderate, because the truth is, YouTube can even pay you more than that. I tell you, YouTube pays more than that. But let's be honest for a moment. Right now, things are tough. Yes, the economy is not smiling with anybody. Every week, price of things are going up. And Naira keeps fainting and falling and going backward and somersaulting. Yeah? Now, salaries are not enough to take you home. Your take-home salary is not even taking you anywhere. Even Okada, you cannot enter with your take-home salary. Even people with good jobs right now are struggling. And for those people without jobs, it feels as if the system is against your life. It's as if everything is working against you right now. Now, this is the news that the Nigeria economy in Sudan doesn't look bright at all. In fact, the news is the prospect is that inflation rate will go up even higher. Unemployment is going to, go. Poverty rate is going to go higher. Everything is just falling apart. It's as if Nigeria wants to close shop and go home. That is what news is telling us right now. I know many of you have tried different things to make money online. Yeah. And you guys have tried crypto, forex, Ponzi scheme, betting. Maybe you even paid for a course that did not work. Yes. You tried, but you lost your money. Maybe. Some of you are thinking now, I don't have capital. I don't have connection. I don't have the courage to put myself out there. This YouTube thing is not for me. Some of you are shy. Some of you don't want everybody to see your face on YouTube. Yeah, maybe you don't want your village people to start following you. Or you don't want to get popular. You don't want your family members, your church members, your neighbors to ask questions, gossiping, monitoring you. Oh, he's online today. Oh, I saw him do this video. Oh, she was doing this video. Oh, she came online. You don't want all of that shenanigan for yourself. Now, I know that's the problem for most of you. And then there are those of you who just don't know where to start from. You're overwhelmed. You have watched videos upon videos upon videos, but everything just looks complicated to you. There are people like that. Now listen. I understand. Because I see the struggle every day. And I want you to know, none of these things will stop you from succeeding if you understand the right way to approach YouTube in 2025. None of it will stop you from succeeding. Now, this is my agenda for today. It is very simple. One, I will show you how YouTube works and practical steps you can take to get started in the next 24 hours. I'm going to show you that. Secondly, I'm going to introduce you to a special opportunity that will help you do this even faster. And you will do it with less struggle and with my personal step-by-step guide. Please, if I don't keep the promise of number one by showing you how you can start with YouTube, then don't listen to me again. Let me repeat it again. If I don't keep the promise of number one by showing you how you can get started with YouTube, then don't listen to me again. Now, but if I'm able to keep my promise, would you at least give me a few minutes to show you everything I have designed to help you get results? Would you? Now, let's get a deal done. If I show you how to get started in the next 24 hours, you will give me time to show you more. Are we in a deal? Say yes. Say yes if that is a deal, because I'm about to change your life right now with what I'm about to show you. Let's go. Now, that's great. Stay with me to the end, because by the time we are done, I'll show you YouTube in a way that you've never seen it before. Stay with me to the end. Now, imagine this for a second. Just imagine for a second that every month, without begging anybody, without chasing anybody, YouTube pays you directly. Pays dollar into your account. Say 500, 1,000, maybe even 3,000 every single month. And consistently, every month, you're getting 1,000, you're getting 500, you're getting 3,000 every single month. Just imagine it. Imagine logging into your phone and seeing that alert in dollars. Not in naira, in dollars. Imagine that. No matter what happens to the naira, no matter what happens to inflation, your dollar is still intact. Just imagine it. Now, while others are complaining about inflation, you are smiling because your money is protected. Nothing is touching your money. Nigeria economy cannot touch your money. No matter how the economy is taking backswing, no matter how the economy is doing a backflip, backward, nothing is happening to your money. For some of you, $500 will cover your rent right now. For some of you. Now, for others, $1,000 might mean finally paying your children's school fee without stress. For some, $3,000 means freedom. You can finally leave that job that is worrying your head and gain freedom and become your own boss. For some, yes, you can start projects. And the best part, do you know what the best part is? You don't have to be famous to earn this money. You don't have to be famous. You don't have to be Mackenzie to earn this money. See, you don't even need capital. You don't need some kind of startup capital. You don't need anything. I'm going to show you. Just stay with me. Stay with me because I'm about to blow your mind and change your life. Stay with me. You don't need capital to get this. You can run everything quietly, privately, from your phone, from your laptop, without being famous. Without being famous. Without being Mackenzie. Stay with me. Now, this is actually the reason why YouTube is the best bet for success opportunity right now. This is the reason why I say YouTube is the best bet for your success opportunity right now. Because why? You can make money without being famous. You can make money without being celebrity. You can make money without even getting a lot of views. Don't worry, just follow me. I'm about to blow your mind. Follow me, follow me. This is exciting, right? Follow me. See, it's not just about, it's not about making money. It's about taking control of your life. What I'm about to teach you is about taking control of your life. You're going to take control of your life. You're going to be the boss of your life. Now, my name is Mackenzie, in case you don't know me. Just in case, by any chance, you don't know me. My name is Mackenzie. And I have been a YouTuber and a creator for YouTube for 10 years now. I started my first channel in 2013 with some videos that right now I'm not proud of those videos. Yeah, with some very old videos. Yeah. And today we've grown into millions of subscribers. According to internet people, they say I make over $300,000 every month. Well, I cannot deny or I can't say yes or no to that. But what I can say is that I'm able to take care of my family. I'm able to take care of my people, my crew. I'm able to take care of my community. And that is what I promise to help you do today. At the end of today, you'll be able to take care of your basic needs. You'll be able to take care of the luxury you want. You know, you'll be able to do a lot of things at the end of the day. So just follow me. Follow me. Now, life was not always, like this. I've gone through the hustle. I started and failed at different businesses. I've been mocked at. I've been laughed at. They've called me that boy that used to carry camera and laptop up and down. But today, thank God, right? Thank God, life is not the same anymore. I figured out this YouTube creator business and I've been able to help a lot of other creators figure it out. Now, today, it is your turn. Now, if you're following me, go to the comment section and say, it is my turn. Say, it's my turn in the comment section. Let's go. Go to the comment section right now and say, it is my turn. Okay? Good. Now, let's start with something very important. Something very, very, very important. Why YouTube is still the biggest opportunity in 2025. Now, let me tell you. First, YouTube is not just a social media. It's the second largest search engine in the world. People use it every day to learn, to laugh, to solve problems. That means there is unlimited demand for new videos on YouTube. Secondly, YouTube pays in dollars. So why Naira is dropping, everybody is shouting. Every day the economy is going bad in your country. YouTube pays you in the strongest currency in the world, which is dollars. And for Nigerians alone, for Nigerians, this alone is like life-changing, right? This alone is like everything we've ever dreamed of. This is what we dream. Want to earn in dollars. And YouTube gives you that opportunity, guys. Now, thirdly, YouTube has something called partner program. Now, once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour on YouTube, you can apply and YouTube will start paying you directly into your account in dollars, not in naira, in dollars. Now, let me be clear. You don't need millions of views to achieve this thing. That is where your mind will blow. You don't need millions of views. You don't need thousands of views to achieve it. A small channel with the right niche can make $500 to $3,000 monthly and consistently. You can make that consistently, like every month you're making it. And one good thing about YouTube is that the more you make money, the more your money grows. The more you work, the more you put in the work, the more you improve, the more your money grows. So I'm just being modest right now. I need you to have that at the back of your mind. I am being modest right now. See, I'll tell you more about choosing profitable niche, right? Because like I said, if you choose the right niche, you're going to make money on YouTube consistently. I will give you an example. I'll give you examples of the right niche. So keep watching. Now, according to Forbes, YouTube has paid creators over $107 billion in the last 3 years. I'm not even kidding. Now, how does this make sense? Why will YouTube pay people that much? Why is YouTube spending their money and paying creators that much? Let me show you something. See, do you know that in 2022, YouTube made about $282 billion. 82 billion with the help of creators. Now, in the following year, 2023, YouTube made over $307 billion with the help of creators. Now, last year, 2024, YouTube made over $350 billion with the help of creators. Now, you see, do the maths. The last 3 years, how much they have paid and how much. So that should tell you that YouTube will continue paying creators because they need creators to make the money that they are making. I hope you're following me. Okay. Now, Google is a company that operates in the attention economy. That means that Google sell attention, right? Follow me. They sell attention. So what happens is when you create a video and put it on YouTube, advertisers will pay Google to place ad on those videos. Now, Google will share part of the money that those advertisers pay to them with you as a creator and partner to YouTube. Hope it's clear now. It's quite clear. This is why YouTube is paying creators so much money every single year. Okay. Now, you don't have to be popular or famous to do this. You can work with, what you have in your hand, and this can absolutely work for anybody. You don't need to be famous. You don't need to have millions of views. Once you have like 1,000 to 10,000 subscribers, it's deal. You started making money. You're settled for life. Follow me. What I'm trying to say is there's enough room for anyone who is willing to put in the work, right? The big question is, are you willing to put in the work? Are you willing to put in the work? That's the big question right now. Let me know in the comment section, are you willing to put in the work? Are you willing to put in the work? Great. Now, let me just jump over. Let's just go. Now, I will show you two ways to get started immediately. 2 ways. Now, when people think about YouTube, they usually imagine one thing, putting yourself out there, camera, in your face, lights, scripts, acting, editing, the whole show. Well, that's the path I took. I mean, that's what I did. The fame route. That's one way. And don't get me wrong, it works for me. Yeah, it works. It makes me successful. But it also came with a price. I lost my privacy. Now I can't walk on the street anyhow. I can't do what normal people do. Not anymore, right? I can't just decide to talk to somebody and express myself the way I would want to express myself just anywhere. I mean, it comes with a price. However, what most people don't know is this. YouTube actually has two completely different paths to success. The first part is what I described, the traditional route. You show your face, you build a professional brand, you become the content itself. That's how most creators do it. Most people you know right now, that's how they do it, right? Now, how it works is you create a channel, you choose a niche, you record videos, you upload consistently, and then you monetize it, and boom, you are selling in that path. That is a route. It's called the fame route. Now, the second route is the opposite. It's completely different. You stay anonymous. Nobody knows you. You don't show your face. You don't go out. People don't. You're not the content. Now you use AI. You use AI to create videos, and YouTube will just be pushing your videos for you. That's the second route, right? You can even run multiple channels. You can run more than one channel. You can run about 20 channels. You want to run 20 channels. You can run any amount of channels, because you know why? It doesn't take a lot of time. You don't need to sit down. You don't need your time. It's not your time, your person. It's tools. You just have tools, plug and play tools, and you just touch one or two things, and you have channels going for you, making more money. Follow me. Follow me. It's getting interesting, right? Follow me. Now, nobody has to know you. Nobody has to know you. And here's the big secret. If I could go back to the beginning and start all over, guess which route I will take? I'll choose the second route, the faceless route. Yes, I'll choose the second route. Because the first route, the traditional route, comes with a lot of price that I'm paying right now. And trust me, you don't want to pay that price. So, this route would give me freedom, it will give me privacy, and it will help me to scale. I could as well just run 200 different channels from different niches without, I can scale. I can have an entire company that is just focused on YouTube channels, creating YouTube channels and creating content, because it's easy to create content when your face is not out there. Follow me, I'm going to show you everything. Now, you can earn dollars without fame, without stress, without losing your personal life. And in 2025, it's actually the smartest way to make money on YouTube right now. So, when I started hearing about faceless channels, I decided to do my research. I did my research. I saw channels making thousands of dollars without creator's face ever showing on the screen. And then I just quickly learned the strategy. I went, did research, learned the strategy, tried a few of those channels, and boom, it was working. Then I told one of my mentees to try it. So guess what? 3 to 4 months later, he came to me and he was like, Mark, I've made $9,000. Now look at it. Look at the screen right now. This is his channel. This is the revenue he's made over a period of 3 months. Right? Over a period of 3 months. And I said, oh, okay, let's calculate this thing. $9,152 times 1,500. Over $13 million in 3 months with faceless channel. He did not record himself. Nobody knows him. In fact, if I even snap his picture right now, you will not know him. This guy is faceless, and look at the money he has made. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. And here's why it's important. This is why this is important. Because If I tell you, you know why I'm telling you this thing? If I tell you that, oh look, I started a faceless channel, or if I give you my own metrics of the faceless channel that I run, maybe you would be like, oh, it's Mark. It's you now. You have 25 million followers, 22 million followers, 23 million followers on Facebook. Why would you tell me no? No, but this guy is somebody that nobody knows. From nowhere. And he made this. If you could do it, what are you waiting for? Me. Let's go. He had no experience. And still he made 9,122. What are you waiting for? Okay. He did this just by following the faceless YouTube system. There is a system you have to follow. He did it just by following the simple system that I gave to him that has been tested over and over by 4 channels, and they boomed. And he did it and he made this money, right? Now, this is why I'm confident that this can work for you. Faceless channel can work for you. Yes, can work for you. If you believe it can work for you, go to the comment section right now and say, me too, it can work for me. Say it can work for me. Say it can work for me. Comment it can work for me in the comment section. Let's go. Now we're going to talk about it. How do faceless YouTube channels work? How does that work? This is why I am here today. So just relax. If you're sipping tea, be sipping your tea. If you're drinking water, be drinking your water, because I'm about to blow your mind today. After this discussion today, this meeting today, your life will change. Follow me. How do you choose the right niche? Create videos without showing your face and start earning, even if you've never shot a video in your life before, even if you've never done it before, even if you've never ever touched what's it called, any AI program before. I'm going to show you. It's very simple. It is plug and play. It's what I call plug and play. You just take this and put here and boom, things are working. I'm about to show you. Now, let me break it down step by step. First, are you ready for this update? Are you ready for this update? If you're ready for this update, type update in the comment section. If you're ready for this update, type update in the comment section. Let's go. If you're ready for this update, type update in the comment section. Let's go. Good. All right. Now, what exactly is a faceless channel? Let me go. What exactly is the faceless channel? A faceless channel is a simple YouTube channel where your identity is not tied to the content. That means you are not showing your face. You are not on camera. Your voice might not even be in the video. You use AI voices, you use images, you use footages. The content can be made up of stock footages, animation, images, screen recording, or combination of all of this. That is what a faceless channel is. A faceless channel does not require you. A faceless channel does not need your attention, a lot of your attention. Just footages from other places that AI can easily give to you. That's what a faceless channel is about. Now, the audience will be focused on the value that the faceless channel or the video is giving, or the education, and not on you. That's the beauty of it. You don't have to be a personality or an influencer to be, to have a faceless channel or have a successful faceless channel. That is the beauty of it. This is crazy. This is the smartest thing to do in 2025. I wish I knew this when I started. But let's go. It's your turn, right? It's your turn. Now, why is it so profitable? Let me tell you why this model is exploding right now. First, you don't need to show your face or be famous. With AI tools, stock footages, and voiceover, you can launch without being on camera, and nobody will ever know who is behind it. You know what? This has more advantage than you can ever imagine. And I'm going to tell you. Just follow me. I'm going to tell you. See, YouTube pays creators in dollars. Even if you are in Africa, your content gets viewed from all over the world. Your content gets viewed in US and in UK. And you know what? When your content gets viewed in US and UK, your RPM, YouTube can pay you about from $10 to $60 for 1,000 views. So most of the videos that come from faceless channels get views from outside of Nigeria, right? Outside of Nigeria, because your content is always things. It's always about things, around things that people from the diaspora can consume. Follow me, and I'm going to teach you everything. Now, it's scalable. You're not tied to one channel. With faceless channel, you can get 2, 3, 4, 5 channels doing different things on different niches. Because you know why? You don't need a lot of your time. You don't need to invest a lot of your time in a faceless channel. You just need 2 hours or 1 hour or maybe 1 hour 30 minutes for one channel. Maybe in 1 week, you just dedicate like 4 hours for one channel, and boom. So it's possible for you to get like 5 channels going. Say you're making $3,000 and you want to make $9,000. It's 3 channels, right? 3 channels consistently, right? Okay, let's go. So it's scalable. Now, the content is evergreen. The content you make on faceless channel is evergreen. You make a video once and it keeps generating views and revenue for months, sometimes years. Sometimes for years, those contents will be generating revenue. And 3, they have low risk. Now, this is somewhere that I wish most times I just wish I had started with faceless channel. Yeah. So they have low risk. Now imagine with a faceless channel, you can stay anonymous. I mean, you can stay anonymous. People will not know that it's you. So it means that if I make a mistake with a content, I don't have to go and suck. I don't have to go and be like, that video I made, people are just bashing me. No, they don't know me. They don't know me. Nobody's going to be like, oh, Makenje, that one you did is not good. It's not good. You don't know me. If I make a video and the video doesn't go where I mean, the video is not so crazy, I can go and delete it and remake it. But if I am a creator of personality and I make a video and the video is not good, when I delete it, people are going to still talk about it. They're going to still be like, oh, he made that video that time. People are even going to screen record it and use it and start using it to say, hey, that guy does not know what he's doing, you know. Is it not this one that went and made that video? So you see, it has low risk. I hope you're following me. Following me, say you're following me. If you're following me, let me know you're following me. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Now, here's the best part. The skills you learn to run a channel can be repeated again and again and again and again. If you learn one skill to run one faceless channel, you can use that same skill to run other channels. Once you figure it out, you can literally build a YouTube empire behind the scene. You don't have to show your face. You're just going to sit down there and just be chopping money. Chopping money, chopping money, chopping money, chopping money. Oh yeah, let's go. Now, if you have these things, then it can work for you. If you have a smartphone or a laptop, if you have internet connection, and if you have 2 hours of your day, of your time every day, then this can work for you. Now, I believe everybody has. I don't even need to ask, do you have this thing? I believe everyone has this thing. I believe you have this thing. You have internet connection, you have smartphone or laptop, and you have about 2 hours. So just 2 hours. 2 hours. Let's go. Okay. Can you now see that this can work for you? I mean, I don't need to ask you again. You now see that this can work for you. See, if I've been following you so far, the next question in your mind would probably be, what tools do I need? What do I need? What do I need to make the, oh, Mark, this is so exciting. Yeah, I want to jump into it. But what tools do I need? Don't worry, I'm going to tell you everything. I already promised you. Let's talk about it. Tools and simple setup. Here's what you need to get started. Here's what you need to get started. Okay. Now, you need a basic computer or even a good smartphone, because so many people I know started with their smartphones. So many people started with their smartphones. Now, another thing you need is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to help you generate scripts. It's going to help you generate images. It's going to help you with ideation. ChatGPT will do a lot of this work for you. So you don't need to bother your brain for this work. You don't need to bother your brain. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you. At the end of this call, at the end of this meeting, I'm going to give you everything that you need. You don't even need to think so much. Because most of the things I'm saying now, some people are thinking, oh, what is ChatGPT? I will just tell you what you carry this one and drop here, carry this one and drop here, carry this one and drop here. And it's over. That's what I'm going to teach you here. But just go. ChatGPT is going to give you like script generation, image generation, ideation, list of things you can do. ChatGPT, that's what ChatGPT is going to be for. Then Canva. Canva is going to be for your creating of thumbnails, right? Canva will help you create thumbnail and simple graphics, because at the end of the day, in the essence of for the essence of this meeting, you're going to be needing what we call the thumbnail, right? Because if you're creating on YouTube, thumbnail is very important. So what is thumbnail? I'm sure somebody is asking now, what is thumbnail? Thumbnail is that picture you see when you see a YouTube video, that picture you used to see that is like poster, that is thumbnail. Because you know that thing is very attractive. So I'm going to teach you how to make it very, very attractive. How to make somebody not be able to pass your thumbnail. This is going to teach you that. We are coming. Just follow me, okay? Now, I'm also going to teach you how to edit with CapCut. CapCut is an editing tool. It's what you use to join videos together and just... But some people are going to be like, oh, so I'm going to learn how to use CapCut. I'm going to learn how to use that. No, that thing is too... It's not too... What I'm about to teach you does not even need you to learn how to become technical and start doing all those things. No. I'll just tell you, carry this thing and drop it inside, and every other thing, AI will just do everything for you. That is what I'm about to teach you. Just hold on. Stay with me. Stay with me, because I'm about to blow your mind. As I said, I will blow your mind on this one. So, you also need stock footages and images. So, I'm going to give you free sites where you can get stock footages like Excel you'll be using for your work when you're creating for a faceless channel. I'll give you all of this, right? You also need voiceover tools. I'll give you voiceover generation tools like TTS, OpenAI. I will show you everything. In fact, I will even hand over the tools to you at the end of it. But follow me. Now, that's it. That is everything you will ever need. No fancy studio, no expensive camera. You can get started with what you already have. You don't need expensive camera. You don't need to buy any extra thing. Those things I just mentioned now are the things that you need, and you already have them, because I'm going to provide them for you. I'm going to give them to you, right? All you need, what I will not give you maybe right now is maybe your computer or maybe your phone. And I believe everybody has phone, and maybe I might not be able to give you 2 hours of your time because it's your own. It's not my own, unless you borrow me your own. Okay, let's continue. Now, how are you finding this? How are you finding this? Is it valuable so far? Now, I promise you I will talk about profitable niche. So, let me do it right now. So, bomber. I'm about to do it now. I'll do it. Now, let me give you a couple of niches that you should be thinking about right now in 2025. Profitable niches. Now, revenge stories. What are revenge stories? These stories, they have massive. People can't just even click away from those things. Those stories catch people's attention. Those are stories that you must have seen them. I'm sure that this week you've watched one. Stories, no matter how old they get, we all keep watching and watching and watching it. So it is a very profitable niche, revenge story. Look at this video on the screen. This video says my parents tested right now at my birthday. This video has about 75k views in 2 months.